This is how you use the AMA roller pipe rotator with wireless control. Lift the control unit from the storage rack and adjust the height of the device according to the pipe size. Lower the pipe onto the rollers and place the rotating device over the pipe until the drive wheel is in contact with the pipe. Pull the tension chain over the device and lock it into the slot. Turn the wheel until the chain is tight. Turn on the power switch of the pipe rotator. Press the pedal of the control unit for 3 seconds. When the green light comes on, the device is ready to use. Use the lever of the control unit to choose whether to adjust the speed with the control knob or with the foot pedal. Maintain or stop the rotation of the pipe by pressing the foot pedal. Select the direction of the rotation from the middle lever of the control unit. The control unit is light and easy to move within its 25-meter range. If the device has not been used for 15 minutes, the foot pedal must be pressed for 3 seconds and the connection between the controller and the device will be restored. With the AMA roller, welding is easy and fast. The device greatly improves the quality of your welding joint, resulting in fewer mistakes. The device also makes it easier to perform other work, such as pipe cutting, joint brushing, and root cleaning. The AMA roller makes your work easier, more ergonomic, and more efficient. Easy, isn't it?